to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can connect your Slack and create multiple automations inside Pabbly Connect, and you can try this for free today. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Once you open the landing page of Pabbly Connect, in the top right corner you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect for free, and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using my discount coupon code, which is RITYT. It is going to get you the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I will suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you like it for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Now let's see how we can connect our Slack inside Pabbly Connect. For that, you just have to log in inside Pabbly Connect and come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Over here you have to click on this create workflow button and you're going to see multiple options. So first of all, if you have a particular use case, you can go on this create using a quick builder, and then over here you just have to enter your use case. Like let's say you want that whenever you receive a new lead, instantly the lead notification should be sent towards your Slack channel, then you have to mention the same. Like let's say I'm just going to mention Facebook leads to Slack right over here, and I am just going to simply send this prompt and it is analyzing my request. It is saying, did you mean any of this? So yes, I meant Facebook lead ads, so I'm just going to choose the same. It is saying which lead ads trigger, so I'm just going to select it as new lead instant. And now for the Slack, I'm just going to choose the event as send channel message. After you select this, over here you can see within a minute the workflow is created successfully. I just have to click on this approve and create and open this workflow right over here. Now you can see over here the workflow is created, which is between Facebook lead ads and Slack. Now I just have to connect my applications and I'm good to go. I'm just going to show you how you can connect your Slack with Pabbly Connect now. Just open this Slack and click on this connect button. After that, click on this add a new connection and then connect with Slack button. It is going to ask you for the token type. So it is saying choose the token type either as user or bot. So what is the difference between the user and the bot token type? For that, we have this learn more hyperlink. Just click on this and over here you're going to see the particular difference between the user token type and the bot token type. You can read the differences here and choose the token type according to your own choice. In order to choose the token type, just type the token type. Like I want to choose it as bot, so I've written bot over here and I'm just going to click on the save button. Once we click on the save button, you have to make sure that your Slack account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account right over here. Once you log in your account, you have to make sure that you select the same workspace in which you have the channel in which you want to send this message. Just choose that workspace and Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now what you have to do is you just have to select the channel ID right over here in which you want to send the message. After you choose the channel ID, you just have to enter the message right over here. Apart from that, if you want to share some image, you can share the image right over here by simply entering the image URL and the image text. If you want to update the bot name and bot icon, you can mention that right over here. Like this, we have successfully learned how we can connect Slack with Pabbly Connect. Now let's see the potential automations you can create by connecting Slack with Pabbly Connect. First is you can add all your Facebook lead ads to your Slack. As you can see over here, I have notified my team about the new leads. Apart from that, I have also set it up an automation where I notify my team on Slack about the new bookings. I have also created an automation where I've created an AI Slack bot which sends a regular message on my Slack channel. As you can see, this is the channel for my sales team, and every morning at 9 a.m. a good morning message is sent towards my sales team, and also this message motivates them. Okay, so now you can see the another automation which I have created, which is send form responses to Slack automatically. Whenever I receive a new form submission from JotForm, instantly the message is sent on Slack. Like this, you can create multiple possible automations. If you want to learn more about these automations, we have multiple videos on our YouTube channel. You can refer to that and connect Slack with Pabbly Connect and create multiple automations. Apart from that, right now if you have any doubts, you can just drop them in the comment section below. If you want a detailed tutorial on any of this, then you can simply ask for that in the comment section below. My team will share it with you. If you want, I'm just going to share the workflow URLs also of this automation. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, go try Pabbly Connect, because right now we're offering a free trial, and don't forget the amazing discount coupon code, which is RITYT. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.